If you're looking for one of the best induction hobs out there, the Bosch Series 8 78cm induction hob is the one for you. The cooktop's glass panel is made of short ceramic glass, the world's only black ceramic glass that is manufactured in an environmentally friendly manner and is completely recyclable. This induction hob has 2 large cooking zones. If you like to be efficient and work 2 pots at once, then this will be the perfect choice. Direct Select Control allows you to select your desired heat level in just one touch. Each heat level has its own touch sensor, so you don't have to adjust the heat levels one by one, making it quick and easy to redirect your heat setting to the desired level. If you're concerned with accidentally making adjustments to the control panel while cooking, simply activate Wet Protection to lock the control panel for a short while for cleaning up. To activate, touch the hand symbol and you will hear an audible sound. Once this happens, the control panel is locked for 35 seconds. To deactivate, the control panel will automatically unlock after 35 seconds. To release the function early, touch the hand symbol again. So if you're going for the minimalist look that is also efficient, this is your best shot.